Happy Sabbath. Happy Sabbath.
My name is Emily. I'm from Eden SDA, and I really enjoyed this retreat. It was a good way of getting closer to God, and I would definitely invite more of you to come here and enjoy it like the same way I enjoyed the experience.
My name is Clarice and I'm from Gethsemane, and this treat was really fun and amazing, and it allowed me to learn about what girls should do to get closer to God and our places in life, and I would definitely invite more people here next year.
Hi, my name is Faina. I'm from Gethsemane, and I loved how fun this retreat was. At first, I'm gonna be honest, I was a little bit unsure, but my mind was completely changed. I proved myself wrong, and I had a lot of fun. There's a lot of seminars for youth that are super relatable, and you learn a lot from them, and you also grow spiritually. So I would definitely recommend that youth come next year. It was amazing, and we can't wait to see you.